Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby and today I'm going to be answering your questions about uni. For context, I'm a fourth year Bachelor of Law, Bachelor of Commerce student majoring in marketing. I hopped on Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me some questions and you guys provided. So let's just jump right into it. Hopefully these questions can help you whether you're in first year, third year, final year, whatever, no matter what degree you're doing. So hopefully I can help you all out in some way. Do you buy all the textbooks? Absolutely not. I don't think I've bought a single textbook the entire time that I've been at uni. Basically, I know at my uni, I can access them all online. It's just like limited access. So it's hard to get to them during exams and assignments and stuff, but throughout the rest of the semester, it's so easy to just jump on and digitally just read it. And it's for free. Textbooks are like $100. I'm not paying for that. Just borrow it from the library if you need to. Is university hard? I wouldn't say that like uni is hard in terms of the content. This is specifically for my course, Law and Commerce. I wouldn't say that it's hard. I would say it's a lot of work. And that's what makes it hard. Like I don't particularly see a concept and go, oh, like I don't get it, it's so hard. It's very rare that that happens for me personally. Like I just understand what I'm learning. It's just a lot of work, but I know it really depends on your course and what you're doing. Like someone doing freaking engineering, yeah, your course is probably going to be hard. There's a lot of maths involved and like advanced concepts. For me, like it's not very hard, it's just a lot. Have you met friends from uni? All my friends are from high school. I have met friends from uni. A lot of people I know have actually made friends at uni. I literally was in Europe with one of my friends from uni. You know, I think it's all about putting yourself out there. Everyone going to uni, like they all want to make friends. So like try not to close yourself off to it. Like just be very open, chat to everyone because you never know who you're gonna find a friend in. Generally find a buddy in each class anyway. You just sit next to someone and you're like, hey, and they're like, hey, and then you're friends. I feel like at uni, there's different levels of friendship. There's like uni friendship, and then there's study together friendship, help with assignments, and then there's like, let's go out for dinner or lunch after class, and then there's like, let's see each other on the weekend. I feel like there's different levels to uni friendship. Best tip for surviving first year law: don't expect miracles. That's what I would go back and tell myself. I would say, Ruby, this is a new chapter of your life, a very different chapter of your life. Don't expect 90%. Is what I would say to her, because that was the hardest part about starting uni for me, was just like being humbled, consistently humbled. And like, don't get me wrong, maybe you'll get the hang of it straight away and you'll get HDs all round. Good for you if you do. Can't relate. My best tip would be remove all expectations you have of yourself. Just embrace the fact that you're in a new, embrace the fact that you're not going to be perfect. You're not going to understand everything straight away, and that's normal to struggle. Once you kind of accept this, I think it becomes a lot easier to kind of deal with uni. That would probably be my first tip. That would probably be my top tip, is just to be accepting. Just go with the flow. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, because in the end, all that pressure is going to do to you is make you struggle. Whereas like if you just like accept that it's going to be hard, you're not going to be perfect, yada yada, then like it's probably going to be easier. Hope that helps. This is coming from an overachiever over here. I'm not telling you not to expect good marks or to do well. I'm just saying that take it easy on yourself. How do you get the motivation to write essays? I don't really have a choice. You don't have a choice. If there's a due date, you got to do it. I'm not about to go failing my units, making my degree longer than it has to be. How to best approach exams, SOS. I'm not really sure. Like personally, the way I go about it is, sorry if you can hear the rain. Personally, I will try to smash out the unit content, and once I do that, I kind of go back to the start and I watch the seminars, because in seminars, one, they're interactive, two, a good seminar will go over a lot of problem questions and concepts and stuff like that. It will really give you an idea of what to focus on. And I find that most of the subjects I've done, the seminars are very practical. Like there'll be a problem and you'll identify this is law based, but you'll identify legislation, stuff like that. So I go back and I watch the seminars, the interactive workshops, classes, and I kind of just rewatch them. I write notes, I do the problems. I don't really do the problems throughout the semester. I'm a lazy bitch. What can I say? I'm not. I know that I'm gonna do it again at the end. So I try to do it, but I don't put a lot of pressure on myself. I go back and I rewatch them all. I know that not everyone has time for this, not everyone can do that. It might not work for everyone. That's just what works for me, because I just find that it focuses on what's really important. I feel like over a 12-week period you might forget some key things, so that kind of brings them to the front of mind. I do practice exams, stuff like that. What to pack on your first day of uni and where to type notes? That's a good question. Okay, so what to pack on your first day of uni? Honestly, take yourself your laptop, a pencil case and a book, and maybe your water bottle and a snack, and your laptop and phone charger, and headphones or AirPods. I really just created a whole freaking list. But if you head over to my TikTok, I will have more videos based around like your first day of uni and stuff, so I can go more in depth, and I'll create a what's in my uni bag video. Where to type your uni notes? So I did a little bit of experimenting last year. Usually I do a Word doc because I can put like a table of contents and like tables and stuff like that. I did use OneNote last year and I personally didn't like it. I really loved having everything in one spot, not needing to have 1,000 different tabs. Like, it was very easy and very practical, but I'm sticking to Word. It's a page, it's not like a big whiteboard. OneNote is like wide and Word is a page. I much prefer Word, to be honest. I can see the value in OneNote and I think you should definitely give it a go. It's really good for keeping all your stuff in one spot, and I think you can access it from like uni and home, but I'll be sticking Word, I think. How to manage eating healthy, going to the gym, working and still doing well at uni? That is a question that I would love the answer to. Honestly, like, I think people like really overcomplicate it and they say, how do you do so much? I've got shit to do, so I gotta just do it. Maybe that's just who I am as a person, but like, I write a little to-do list. I say I gotta do this, I gotta go to the gym, I gotta do this reading, notes on this chapter, make lunch. Sick. I'm gonna get that all done, because if I don't get it done, then I have to do it tomorrow, but tomorrow I have a list of things to do, so I'm just making that list longer. So like, you just do it. You just get given a set of circumstances and you do the best you can with that set of circumstances. That's my best advice. I guess like I can say like maybe meal prep. I personally don't meal prep. I really should, but like the thought of reheating my food just like, ugh, I hate leftovers. It's basically a leftover. I definitely struggle with going to the gym during uni, but I will say that like when I have uni, like I do wake up earlier. Like I wake up like 6:30, 7 o'clock. Whereas I don't have uni at the moment, I just have work. So I'm just like kind of waking up at like 8 o'clock. And it's working out just fine for me. How do you cope with uni stress? I just cry a lot. I think the one really important thing that you will slowly develop over the time that you're at uni is how do you cope with stress? What makes you feel better? I know that personally for me, if I'm at uni and I'm really, really stressed, there's usually a few different reasons. And one of them, most of the time, is the fact that I haven't taken the time to just lie on my bed and watch an episode of a TV show. I know that sounds so stupid, but I really like my me time. Second reason, I've been so busy doing assignments and notes, yada yada, I haven't even gone to uni. One will be that I've been so preoccupied doing assignments, notes, yada yada, that I haven't been going to the gym, and I just feel so ugh. So like, I'll book a Pilates class or I'll go to the gym and I instantly feel so much better. I kind of know my tells. My degree personally isn't attendance based, so sometimes I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to go to class today, I'm going to catch up on what I'm behind on and then continue. O-week advice. Ooh, I didn't go. That's one regret I really have, was I didn't go to O-week, but like all the O-week events were like far away from my house and like I couldn't really afford to Uber at the time, so I didn't go. I would say just book one. Just go. The tickets usually aren't that expensive. Go to one that you dress up. You might meet some new people, whether it's from your uni or somewhere else. These are for the clubbing events, by the way. But in terms of like uni events, I went to like Deakin the week before. I think they have like an open day and they've got like all these stalls and like food and campus tours and stuff. I would just go. You can take a friend that like doesn't go to your uni. Like no one's checking. Just turn up. Explore uni, familiarize yourself. If you know where your classes are, go have a look at where those classes are so you know where to go on your first day. I wouldn't have like specific tips for it. I think just go and just familiarize yourself with the environment. How do I make friends in uni? I remember in my first year, I don't know if they still do this because I left all the group chats, but we had like a group chat. It was like first year law students, Deacon 2020, or like first year commerce students, and then like they would have like subject group chats within that, so you would get added to the subject group chats. Like I honestly just went through, right, it's embarrassing, but like I stalked people's Instagrams and I was like, you know what, you feel like my vibe. So then I messaged this person, or they messaged me, I can't remember, and that was Imogen. Imogen's one of my best friends now. If you're really lucky, I got super lucky, but like I sat with someone in like my first trimester and she introduced me to her group of friends, and now they adopted me and I'm friends with them all. And yeah, so sometimes if you're really lucky, you'll sit next to someone, get to know them, and then you'll meet their friends, and then suddenly you've got friends. So it's kind of like a piggyback system. Again, just remember, everyone wants to make friends, so put yourself out there. Tips for second year: don't spend all your money at the cafe. Is that bad that I don't have a better tip for you? But I think like make it easy. Second year, maybe look at getting like an internship, or if you're doing law, maybe like paralegal or something. But just look at the possibilities. And this, I feel like second year is kind of like the year 10 of uni. Like it's like, just do whatever, do your work, have fun, leave. I feel like that's what the vibe is. I loved second year personally. I just thought it was really chill, really fun. So I think just enjoy every moment. If you get opportunities, like say yes to them. Like study abroad, if you can do it, go freaking do it. If you get offered an internship, go do it. If you get offered a new job, go do it. I think that second year is a really exciting year. It's like your second year of being in the adult world for most people. Of course there's differences here, but it's like your second or third year of being in the adult world for a lot of people, and like you're getting more confident in this world, you're discovering who you are. So I think don't lose that in the world of doing uni. Should you take notes online or write them down? I tried to write my notes in first year. I had my book, I had my pencil case, and I tried to write. Let me tell you, it is the least efficient way to take notes ever. It is so good for your memory, so good, but truly like the time it takes versus the content that you do in uni, it just doesn't work in my opinion. I like scribble out key points, especially when I'm doing like seminars and like exam revision and stuff. I do write that down because I remember it better. If I'm doing finance based units, I will write it down, remember it better. But in general, type. Like honestly, uni, think of uni, the 12 weeks you have in uni as a whole year of VCE, a whole 2 years of VCE in 12 weeks, because that's what it really is. It's like a chapter a week, but like big chapters. It's a lot of work each week, and to write it down, like it's gonna take you forever if you want coherent notes. So I would just recommend type that shit out. Maybe write down the key points, but for the bulk of it, type it. Resources for uni students. I have a tip for you, a tip that I didn't follow and I suffered for it. But basically, I don't know if every single subject has this. I'm sure that every subject has its own equivalent to it, but I know in law we had it in first year, and basically it was a research week. So it was like they told us and they provided us videos on the best way to legal research. I skipped that week because I was like, whatever, I'll figure it out. I had to go back and watch a stupid 2-hour-long video, and it was so helpful. So helpful. It told me about different platforms to use, different ways to use it, how to use it most efficiently. So now if I get given an assignment, I don't need to spend like 20 hours thinking, how do I research this and Google things, when I can just hop onto my uni's library platform, whatever, go onto specific websites that they have free access to because of your degree, and how to research. So my top tip to make your life easier is familiarize yourself with the platforms that your uni provides you with. This goes with textbooks, it goes with research, it goes with video platforms. Trust me, because like you'll go onto the internet and you'll search up, for example, let's say in law, a case, and it will say you need to pay this much to access this judgment. You can go on Lexis Advance and read the whole thing for free if you go through your uni. So make sure you're not silly and pay for anything because you didn't pay attention to what your uni was telling you. That is all from me today. I hope this helps some of you out and you guys are feeling a bit more confident for uni and that I answered your questions. There'll be heaps more uni related content on my TikTok, so make sure you jump on there. Link will be down below. But I hope you guys have an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching and I love you guys so much.